Yo, 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 yo. What up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about how YouTube is on easy mode right now. If you are thinking about getting monetized on YouTube, okay, being a content creator on YouTube, this is the opportunity for you to start making videos, start making content, be the best content creator in 2025 you could possibly be. I promise you, if you're watching this video, you have the opportunity of a lifetime, because again, YouTube is on easy mode. All you gotta do is make videos, press record, press stop, and that's all you gotta do. What do I gotta say to get through your skull that all document what you do and or create videos? We have options, but they're very achievable. I believe in you. It is 2025, January 2nd right now. If you're watching this video a week from now, if you're watching it 10 minutes, 10 years, 50 years, 100 years from now, YouTube. It's the biggest search engine. I want you guys to understand that if I told you anything, if you watched any of my videos and you're like, man, excuse me. See, I'm not even going to edit that. Right now, YouTube's on easy mode where you don't even got to do a lot of editing, okay? You don't got to do a lot of editing. All you got to do is create content. If you could do that on a daily basis consistently, but talk about YouTube, talk about making money, talk about life, talk about things that's relevant, talk about high niche things. Make videos about this. This is going to be your best bet. I promise you, 2025 is our year. Yours and mine. We got to do this every day. Imagine if you only went to your job once a month. How much would you get paid from that job? If you went to your job once a week, how much would you get paid from that job? What about once a day? Or you went to your job twice a day, or 3 times a day. Think about how much you will get compensated for that. Well, YouTube, it will compensate you for all the videos that you ever make, forever. And they will go on forever and ever and ever. Your fan base, your viewership, your community is waiting for you, but they won't find you because you don't post no videos. YouTube is the end all be all. Think about that, okay? Because if you make purposeful content, the videos will go on forever and ever and ever. I want you guys to understand, if you are watching this video, that means you have a YouTube channel. You need to be utilizing that YouTube channel to its fullest. Get everything out of it. Squeeze it like a sponge. I need you guys to understand what do I gotta say to get in your head to understand that you could be financially free, right? You watch this video, I'm assuming you are a beginner, you're new to YouTube, you're new to creating content, right? And you want to make money. Or you want to make money, okay? I want you guys to understand that. I'm not saying everything is about money, but everything needs money. Money ain't everything, but everything needs money, okay? Understand that. YouTube will help with all that. Why? Because if you post content of what you do already anyway, it will compensate you for that. That way you do what you want to do when you want to do it, how you want to do it, because you want to do it. I want you to win. I want us to both to win. I want you guys to realize that you have an opportunity right now, because YouTube is on easy mode, to get monetized super fast by just creating content, pressing the button and then pressing it again. Press the button and then press it again, and you're going to get more than what you thought from YouTube. Okay? YouTube's on easy mode. Everybody watch this video needs to take advantage of it. Okay? I wouldn't say it if I didn't believe it. I wouldn't waste my time making these videos if I didn't believe that. With that being said, make sure you guys sub up to the channel. I'm posting daily videos, shorts, lives, community posts. We're posting daily. Why? Because that is how we're going to get our max return. Posting not only daily, but multiple times a day. Once you get there, I guarantee you, you're going to get what you want. Facts. Content creation is the biggest wave that's gone through 24 and hitting 25 in its mouth. AI. These things you need to get hip to, people. Understand this is the opportunity now. Take advantage, right? We don't know how long YouTube is going to be on easy mode. I recommend and I suggest strongly that you just get really good, just 1% better every day at making videos, making content. I don't understand why you can't do that, because if you're watching this video, you have a YouTube channel. YouTube wants to help you. It will. It wants to help you. It does. But if you ain't putting out, what can it do? If you ain't putting videos out, if you ain't making content, how you gonna get paid? How you only gonna get paid? How you only gonna make one video a month or one video a week? Like, what do you expect to get out of that? You gotta keep going and keep going. Watch your numbers. Get better. Okay? Talk about relevant things. YouTube, making money, life, things like this. I promise you, I want to help you. I want to help you be the best you can be. Make the money you want to make. And I want it just to go up like that. I want to show you guys how to make money, not only in person, but online as well. Okay? Now, again, I always say location, location, location. Yes, that's correct. Where you are on this planet matters. Okay? But you got to understand, if you get to creating content on a daily basis, you could do that really anywhere. If you think about it, in advance, you plan in advance, you can make content anywhere. I want to stress to every beginner, every new person to YouTube or creating content, if you learn anything from this video, is that he said make videos every day about relevant topics and be consistent. You can't lose. Why would you? Why would you lose? YouTube is a platform, they want to get the most exposure, the most views possible. It wants to give you money. YouTube wants to give you money, and YouTube monetization is one of the best things that can happen to you. YouTube automation is an amazing idea if you haven't thought about making money online, because it's a faceless YouTube channel, usually, right? A faceless YouTube channel. Those are the best because they make money forever and ever and ever. You don't got to put your face on the camera. Some people like putting their face on the camera, no problem. But I need you guys to understand this. This is the opportunity to make the money you want to make the laziest way possible for beginners. Creating content. You do that every day, your life is going to do a 360. I want to salute to all my subscribers. I appreciate you subscribing. And we got big plans coming in 2025. I catch y'all on the next one. Peace!